November 23rd, 2020 vocabulary. All right, our directions. Pluck the feather. That is not the correct way to write a ratio for the following ratio comparison statement. All right, so our ratio comparison statement is down here. For every 5 turkeys, there are 7 chickens. So our ratio, remember, you have to go in order. For every 5 turkeys, there are 7 chickens. So 5 turkeys to 7 chickens. So 5 to 7. So what is 5 to 7? So which is not the correct way? 5 to 7. Yep, that's the way. 7 to 5. Nope, that's not it. Is this one 5 to 7? Yes, it is. Is this one 5 to 7? Yes, it is. So the feather that is the incorrect way would be 7 to 5 because remember, you have to go in order. And that is it for our vocabulary. Woohoo! You did it! Great job!